Attention, this is security. To the individuals going in and out of the garages on site, this site is closed. If you are employees, call into the command center to check in immediately. The number to call to check in at is 888-262-6770. That number again is 888-262-6770. If you are not an employee or not authorized to be here at this time, leave site immediately or police will be dispatched. This warning is once again for the two individuals going in and out of the garages on site. Attention, this is security. To the two individuals that just walked onto site, this site is closed. Leave now or PD will be dispatched. This is your second and final warning. Call into the command center or leave site immediately.